Welcome to Prompt Equipments Private Limited. In this video, we will demonstrate the operation process of the Sanchay Milk Analyzer step by step. If your Sanchay operates on AC power, connect the power cable to the AC supply and switch on the AC power switch located at the back of the Sanchay. If your Sanchay operates on DC power, connect the cable to the DC battery and switch on the DC power switch at the back of the Sanchay. Once the Sanchay is switched on, the screen will display Sanchay Milk Analyzer. Next, the following parameters will appear on the screen: fat, SNF, and added water test. After this, the Sanchay will display version number, file system OK, and date and time. Finally, the warm-up message will appear on the screen. Once the warm-up is complete, the screen will display cleaning required. Perform cleaning using clean water as per the cleaning procedure. After successful cleaning, the screen will show cleaning over. Milk analysis can be performed only after cleaning is completed. Before testing milk samples, perform water testing twice and perform one buffer milk testing. This ensures the Sanchay is functioning correctly. Before testing, filter the milk sample properly. Then stir the milk for 10 seconds to ensure uniform mixing. Place the milk sample bottle below the Sanchay's pipette. Press the OK button to start analysis. As milk enters through the pipette, the screen will display working. After approximately 40 seconds, the Sanchay will display fat percentage, SNF percentage, added water percentage, and milk density. Do not remove the sample bottle until all milk has completely passed through the Sanchay. And remember, once a milk sample has been analyzed, it must not be used again for reanalysis. This completes the operation process of the Sanchay Milk Analyzer. Thank you for watching.